What's up, guys? It's Blacktop Hemi 17 back at you guys with another video. Today we're going to talk about my exhaust setup. I feel like it's one of the cheapest mods that you can do to your exhaust for any Hemi without breaking the bank. Of course, you know, the aftermarket exhaust systems from some of those higher end brands would probably be better, but for under, let's say, $300, I don't think this is a bad mod. So first off, when I first got the car, which was about a year ago, of course I went on ahead and did the mid muffler delete. I was happy with it. It was pretty good, but after like a month or two, it really didn't cut it. So I wanted something a little bit different. I heard about the Dynomat mini racing mufflers, which you can get on Amazon. They're like $20, $25. And I'm like, why not? So I had the mid muffler delete. I still had my resonators in place, so I decided to go that route. I purchased 2 of those off of Amazon. Went to the exhaust shop the next day, and I decided to put those in the place of the resonator. So I got the resonators cut off, and I put those new racing mufflers in the place of the resonators and kept the mid muffler delete. And all I can say is, I don't even know what to say, honestly. I'll let you guys listen to it for yourself. You tell me what you think. I spent maybe $125 for the mid muffler delete, another $125 to actually get the Dynomat mini racing mufflers put on, and maybe $20, $25 a piece for the muffler. So maybe under $500 for everything, which is, to me, is not bad for setup. The way it sounds, people ask me all the time, do I have a full aftermarket exhaust setup? Which I don't. I mean, other than the mufflers, piping, all that stuff like that is still stock. I'm actually interested in doing the headers, long tube headers, at some point. I'm really interested to know what that would sound like, being that this sounds so good. Right here, I'm gonna just insert some clips of the exhaust so you guys can hear cold starts and warm starts, and let you guys be the judge of it. Prepare for takeoff. And there you have it, folks. That's my exhaust setup. This is the best thing on the market for the money. You can't beat it. As always, it's Blacktop Hemi 17 out with another video. Like and subscribe to the channel. It's a new channel, and we're gonna keep pushing these videos out. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon.